Now we move on to Europe. French woman Gisèle Pelicot, drugged and raped by dozens of men recruited by her ex-husband, returned to court today, applauded as she faced one of her convicted attackers. He is the only man appealing last year's verdict, which saw 51 men convicted. Her defiant stance previously sparked hope in the fight against sexual violence, yet in her hometown of Mazan, some residents and officials want to move on, while advocates say many victims still hide their abuse and rapists remain undetected. Nationwide, the case inspired more women to speak out, with complaints of rape tripling and high-profile convictions, including actor Gerald Depardieu. But experts warn that conviction rates remain low. Police are understaffed and rape culture persists. Pelicot's return symbolizes courage, but campaigners stress much deeper change is still needed. Now we move on. A sudden snowstorm on the Tibetan Plateau has left one hiker dead and stranded hundreds more near Mount Everest. Meanwhile, in Tibet's Karma Valley, more than 350 trekkers were rescued after their camps were buried in heavy snow, though over 200 remained in high-altitude camps. As of Sunday, rescuers used yaks, horses, and drones to clear paths to bring exhausted hikers to safety. Also in neighboring Qinghai province, another hiker died from hypothermia and altitude sickness. While more than 130 people were saved, the storm struck during China's national holiday when thousands flocked to the mountains. This is all we have time for. We will continue to bring you more news updates from around the world.